the number of accounts are exaggerated in the sense that roughly about 70 to 80% of the accounts, they are small accounts of 1,000 rupees, 2,000 rupees. There are even accounts of 500 rupees. So therefore, and it would appear, and anecdotally and even otherwise, we have a lot of feedback that, sort of credit is being provided to open accounts and various other kinds of incentives are being provided to open accounts. But the total account balance is just about 500,000 or 2,000 rupees. And that covers about 70 to 80% of the accounts. But yes, the value of transactions and trading has gone up, but the number of accounts, I said, is exaggerated, and I stick to that. Now, with regard to the our position on the cryptocurrency, as I have said earlier, I will not like to elaborate on this, because this being a banking and economics conclave, I would like the focus of your media coverage, whether it is television channels, business channels, or the newspapers, to focus more on banking issues rather than talking on crypto, and crypto overshadowing the real issues and challenges which the banking sector should be discussing, and that is something which the public has a right to know. Having said that, let me say that I think the public discussion which is currently, and let me also, I am not commenting at all on the standing committee, what they have decided. I am not privy to what the standing committee discussed and deliberated. I am not privy to that. So I am not saying, I have nothing to say on the standing committee deliberations. But the discussion which is now taking place in the public domain, I think the discussions there is a need for much deeper discussion. When the central bank says that we have serious concerns from the point of view of macroeconomic and financial stability, there are deeper issues involved. There are far deeper issues involved which form part of this, what I have been saying, macroeconomic and financial stability. I am yet to see serious, well-informed discussion in the public space on these issues. The discussions are that, it's a new technology, we should capitalize on it. And I have said it earlier, this technology is more than 10 years old. The blockchain technology is nothing new. It did not come yesterday. It has been there for 10 years. The technology, I have said this before, the technology can grow and will grow without cryptocurrencies, or whatever name you use to describe cryptocurrencies. So at this point, I would only like to say that when the Reserve Bank of India, as the central bank of the country, which is entrusted with the responsibility of maintaining financial stability, when the Reserve Bank, after due internal deliberation, says that there are serious concerns on macroeconomic and financial stability, there are deeper issues which need much deeper discussion, much more well-informed discussion.